Hello everyone and welcome to day 2, and I'm so excited to be with you all as we have already discussed about our life domains, where we are lacking, where we need to fix things. So if you are getting confused or you don't know how to do things and you are like I'm lacking here, I'm lacking there, I'm lacking here as well, health, wealth, relationship, so just relax. It's just okay. I mean, it's absolutely fine as far as you know, as far as you are bringing your awareness on this point. So you are releasing so many things already. So if you really want this program work for you, you have to think, you have to take responsibility, you have to take accountability. Whatever is happening in your life, usually what we do is we have this habit to blame others, to blame situation, people, that's my life is not working just because of this person, just because of this situation. But in this time you are taking responsibility, accountability, whatever is happening, whether it is very small thing or it's a big thing in your life. But I would suggest you start from the small things. Maybe you really want to work out in the morning but you are not doing it. Take responsibility, because this is something because of you. So accept and take responsibility. Why I want you to take the high level of responsibility, accountability, because you are the center of your universe, your world. Whatever occurs around you infuse you, and when you infuse with high level of accountability, responsibility, you can imagine, you cannot even imagine that how things move suddenly with ease and peace, with a lot of momentum, because you're owning your world, you are owning your role in this world. Because you are owning your role in this world, now you are owning your everything, your bad situation, your good situation, your hurt, your sadness, your happiness, everything. So this is the powerful place to be in. From this place you can shift everything. So I really want you to commit with me that yes, we are taking responsibility whatever is happening in our life, and from this point, from this place, we are shifting energy, the negative energy, you can say the things are not working, whatever the things are. So this is the place you can shift your energy. So now in this program, you are 100%, even you are 1000% responsible every part of your life, your highs, your lows, your happiness, your sadness, everything in your life, and commit yourself that you are going to change it. So what kind of action you are going to take today, as it is action oriented course. So today call to action is, as you can see that I have this bowl, you can take any jar. So this is our accountability responsible jar. You have to label it that this is my accountability. Like you can choose one of the domain of your life, like if I'm choosing health, to write it down health, and then you can intend that I have to do exercise maybe 3 weeks a day, or every day I have to do this, I have to eat this. And whenever you are not doing it, so you are taking responsibility. As you are taking responsibility, whenever you are not doing something, you have to put 1 rupees. For example, if you want to change your negative thinking to positive thinking, how many times you really think negative? So whenever you think negative, put 1 rupees. So end of the day, you will see that how many rupees you have already collected. This is the wonderful exercise to own your own world. I'm not saying that you are trying harder, just be yourself, but you are telling yourself that whatever is happening in your life, it's just because of you. It's just because you are not doing things sometimes. and you will see that like if you collected 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like if you're not doing a lot of things, but day by day you will see that you really decrease the money. Day by day you are getting aware what you are doing. So today's call to action is you have to take one bowl or any jar and you have to label it, maybe wealth, health, relationship, or whatever you think that it is really necessary, it's really necessary to fix it. So just do it.